the double crochet stitch. It's taller than the half double crochet and works up really quickly, making it great for blankets, scarves and lots more. I'm using a size 4mm hook and a lightweight yarn. I've made a foundation chain of about 15 stitches to practice on. Start by yarning over your hook before you insert it into the stitch. Now insert your hook into the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the stitch. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now you should repeat this. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. Now repeat till the end of the row. Finish the row, chain 3 to turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work and start your next row with the same double crochet steps. But just remember, skip the first stitch, as chain 3 is counted as the first stitch. Now again, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull 2 loops and repeat till the end of the row. And at the end of the row, we've got the beginning chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the last third chain from previous row and make a double crochet. And that's the double crochet stitch. It's great for projects that need a little height and work up fast. Give it a try and you'll be making beautiful crochet pieces in no time. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more crochet lessons. See you next time.